In a world where dreams come in all shapes and sizes, there was a fish who longed to walk on land.
Blub, blub, blub. If only I could feel the grass beneath my fins. Blub, blub.
A boy who dreamed of soaring through the sky.
One day I'll touch the clouds.
And a bird whose heart was set on becoming a star.
Tweet, tweet, twinkle, twinkle, that's where I'll be. Chirp, chirp.
Each day they would try to make their dreams come true. But dreams aren't always easy to achieve. It was so beautiful, it drew admirers from far and wide. Then came a magical moment when they all understood that the journey of chasing their dreams had already made them more than they ever imagined.
Glub, glub, glub.
We did it!
Tweet, tweet.
They realized that dreams aren't just about the destination, but about who we become along the way. And that's a dream come true in itself. And so, the fish learned to appreciate both water and land. The boy discovered the joy of building and creating. And the bird became a star in the hearts of all who heard its song.